Hello once again, year 11s. Now our objective now is to put some line here and a bit of a custom shape. Now, someone asked me, sir, I want to change the readings of this instead of inches into pixels. Right now, if you can see there, it's reading in pixels as indicated by the 783 pixels. Now this is useful for controlling the size of your banner or your image size, because as you use the crop tools, it gives a feedback with numerical uh, visuals there. So here we go. How do we change it? First, I'll hit escape. If you do Control R, it provides you with a ruler. Now, if you click on the ruler by holding down by right clicking it, see, you can actually choose what kind of measurements you want it to be. It could be in inches, right click, or centimeters, right click, or millimeters. It's up to you. For this purposes, we'll be using pixels. So there you go, it's already committed there. So maybe we can just do a bit of 771 just by 235 pixels, and you can just hit, there you go, and that's it. See, it's still having the two layers. Now we will add here another line and maybe change the color of the banner by triple clicking it and make it into white. Click OK. So there you go. We have the new color, and use the move tool to make the bounding box disappear. And now we will put here a line just so it's an accent there that can go all the way there, a thin line. And if I do Alt backspace, we have to make it into a new layer. Sorry about that. We go to a new layer. So when we go Alt backspace, it fills it with the color that is in here, our color palette. Now we'll try to match this color here by having it in what? 60%. See? There you are. And Control D, it deselects this line here. Now, in this layer, we have some outer glow and drop shadow. And in this layer one, we can just double click here to change the name. We'll call it line. We want that same characteristics of this. See, if I double click the drop shadow, let's make it bigger so you can, it's more pronounced. See that? How it's more obvious. We'll click OK. There you are. Now we want that same shadow in our line. All we have to do is right click, copy layer style, and oops, that's the wrong one. We go right click, copy layer style, and go here and right click and paste layer style. See what happened? The attributes here is copied on that line. And that's all the lesson for today. Thank you for watching.